to teach you how to make this adorable little dragonfly charm. You will need a charm for this next one. I'm also going to show you how to turn it into a keychain. You will need a very small darning needle, an I9 5.5 millimeter hook, some yarn, iridescent beads that I got from the Dollar Tree. I also have a white round wood bead from the Dollar Tree. So let me show you how to do this. This is so easy. Anyone can do this if you can chain. So you're going to start with a long tail here. We are going to make a slip knot. And then we are going to chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And then we will come back around to the first stitch. And we will finish off our work. And there's our first one. The second one, we are going to chain 30 to make a slip knot. And chain 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Make sure this does not get twisted. Come back around, go into that first stitch, slip stitch it, and then we will follow through. So now we have our second one. I'm going to take just a regular darning needle, and I will come down through that stitch just to pull that knot down. Then we will pull this really tight and cut as close as you can. This one, we will do the same thing. Pull that knot down. You want your knot to be in the center. Do the same thing over here. Now we will take a good sized string here. And you want to turn this to where your stitches are on the outside. Like that. Turn this one where your stitches are on the outside and your knot is in the center. So you want them to be like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run my needle up through here, directly in the center. And I'm going to leave a long tail at the bottom. I'm going to wrap around the center, and then I'm going to insert my hook and come back up the center. I'm going to make sure that that yarn is over those knots, and then hold it and pull. So now we will tighten this up. So now you have your dragonfly wings made. Now we will insert our darning needle onto the wooden bead, like that. Then we're going to attach. So you can wrap this around a few times. And then go underneath all these loops. And then we're going to insert back through the bead and then come back down the bottom. Make sure it's tight. Then I'm going to make a knot. Now we're going to use our very small darning needle. This is a little tricky getting your thick yarn, but if you'll just really push it through and then gently pull, it will go through. Let's do the second one. Once you have them on your small hook, we're going to take 7 of these small blue beads. Now at first it's going to be really tight, so just gently keep working it. It will come through. Pull those tails through. And push that all the way up. Put on your second bead. Now you could keep both of these yarn tails on there, but there's really no need to. I just wanted to secure this one from the top with those 2 beads, so I'm going to cut it loose. And now it'll be a lot easier to put on the rest of these beads. So it's 3, 4. I did 7. You could do as many as you want, or you could just do 4. that I have 7, I'm going to keep them pushed up. And then I'm going to tie a knot right here at the bottom of that bead. 2 or 3 times here. Two is probably good. I think I did 3 on the other one. You could melt this or put a little drop of glue there to hold it. So now we have our dragonfly. Now if you wanted to make this a keychain, all you would have to do is clip into that hook. And now you have an adorable keychain dragonfly. Or you could just have a charm to hook on your bag.